Have you ever wondered why Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, doesn't get the same attention as Mars or Saturn? Well, folks, it's high time we shed some light on this celestial heavyweight. Imagine a giant so colossal, it could engulf more than 1,000 Earths with room to spare. Yes, you got it right. We're talking about Jupiter here, the fifth planet from the Sun. Now you might be thinking, why does Mars get all the fame when Jupiter is clearly the big guy on the block? Well, it's kind of like how the tallest kid in class doesn't always get picked first for the basketball team. Sometimes it's not about size, but about the unique characteristics that set you apart. And trust us, Jupiter has plenty of those in its arsenal. So are you ready to dig deeper into the mysteries of this gargantuan gas giant? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an interstellar journey to Jupiter. Let's get to know Jupiter a little better, shall we? The first thing you'll notice about Jupiter is its size. It's the largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter more than 11 times that of Earth. That's big enough to fit over 1,000 Earths inside it. But don't let its size fool you into thinking it's slow, because Jupiter spins faster than any other planet. A day on Jupiter is only about 9 hours and 55 minutes. That's like having lunch and dinner in the same hour. Now, Jupiter isn't just a massive spinning top. It's also made up of some pretty interesting stuff. About 90% of its atmosphere is hydrogen, with most of the rest being helium. It's like a giant swirling balloon. But mixed in with these gases are traces of methane, water, ammonia, and even rock particles. And then we have the magnetic field. Jupiter's magnetic field is the strongest of any planet in the solar system, 20 times stronger than Earth's. This field is so powerful, it creates a magnetosphere that extends far beyond the planet, protecting it from the sun's harmful solar wind. Of course, we can't talk about Jupiter without mentioning its most famous feature, the Great Red Spot. This is a storm that's been raging on for centuries, maybe even longer. It's so big you could fit 2 to 3 Earths inside it. That's one storm you definitely wouldn't want to get caught in. And let's not forget about Jupiter's stripes. These bands of color are created by differing temperatures and pressures in Jupiter's atmosphere, causing gases to rise and fall. It's like Jupiter is wearing its own cozy striped sweater. So Jupiter is not just a big, beautiful ball of gas, it's a planet with its own unique physical characteristics. Did you know Jupiter has its own mini solar system? Yes, you heard that right. Jupiter is not just a planet, it's a host to a multitude of moons, a whopping 67 to be precise. But today, we're going to focus on the big four, the Galilean moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. First up, we have Io, the most volcanically active body in our solar system. It's a sight to behold with its vibrant yellow, red, white, and black surface, a result of all the sulfur and sulfur dioxide frosted onto it. It's a bit like a cosmic pizza, minus the cheese and pepperoni. Next, we journey to Europa, the icy moon. Underneath its frozen surface, there's evidence of a vast salty ocean, twice the volume of all Earth's oceans combined. Scientists believe this makes Europa one of the most likely places to find extraterrestrial life. It's a bit like a cosmic ice rink, but with potential aliens instead of skaters. Now let's move on to Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system. Even bigger than the planet Mercury, Ganymede is the only moon known to have its own magnetic field, which causes spectacular ribbons of glowing gas known as auroras. It's a bit like a cosmic light show, but with no admission fee. Finally, we have Callisto, the most heavily cratered object in the solar system. Its ancient surface is a cosmic history book, telling a story of countless collisions that have occurred over billions of years. It's a bit like a cosmic dartboard, but with asteroids instead of darts. From volcanic landscapes and possible alien oceans to magnetic fields and craters galore, these moons each have their unique characteristics, making Jupiter's mini solar system a fascinating place to study. With so many moons orbiting around it, Jupiter is like a mini solar system in itself. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, there's a whole other world, or should we say worlds, spinning around our solar system's biggest planet. Humanity's curiosity knows no bounds, and Jupiter has certainly piqued our interest. Let's take a galactic journey back in time. The Pioneer program, launched in the early 70s, sent 2 spacecraft to Jupiter. They were our cosmic pioneers, hence the name, giving us our first close-ups of the gas giant. Not long after, in the late 70s, the Voyager missions took flight. Voyager 1 and 2, the dynamic duo, flew by Jupiter, capturing stunning images and invaluable data about its moons and magnetic field. These missions were like the space equivalent of a drive-by photo shoot, and boy, did they deliver. Moving forward to the 90s, the Galileo spacecraft decided to stick around a bit longer. It spent 8 years in Jupiter's neighborhood, studying the planet and its moons in detail. Galileo was like the nosy neighbor, always poking around, but we didn't mind because it sent back fascinating insights. Fast forward to the present, Juno is the star of our show. Launched in 2011, Juno is still orbiting Jupiter, studying its composition and magnetic field. Juno is like the detective of our story, probing deep to uncover Jupiter's secrets. But wait, I hear you cry, what about the future? Well, hold on to your space helmets because we've got plans. The Europa Clipper mission is set to launch in the mid-20s. Its mission? To study Europa, one of Jupiter's largest moons, and to search for conditions suitable for life. It's not just a moon mission, it's a quest for potential alien life. How exciting is that? Our journey to Jupiter, past, present, and future, is a testament to human curiosity and innovation. Each mission, from the pioneering Pioneer to the upcoming Europa Clipper, has built upon the discoveries of the last, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. Jupiter continues to be a destination of interest for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Ever thought of Jupiter as Earth's big brother? Well, it's not as far-fetched as it sounds. There's a theory that suggests Jupiter, with its colossal size and formidable gravitational pull, serves as a kind of celestial guardian for our little blue planet. Think of Jupiter as the bouncer of our solar system. It acts like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, attracting many comets and asteroids that could otherwise pose a threat to Earth. But instead of letting them wreak havoc, Jupiter, with its gravitational might, pulls these celestial bodies and either gobbles them up or catapults them back into space. Isn't it amazing to think that our survival here on Earth may be in part thanks to the watchful eye of this giant planet? So, let's give a nod of gratitude to our big brother Jupiter for standing guard and keeping us safe. So, while it might not be the most talked about planet, Jupiter plays a crucial role in keeping our planet safe. So, what have we learned about our giant neighbor? Well, we've journeyed through the clouds of Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. We've come to understand its physical characteristics, the gas giant with a strong magnetic field and the fastest rotation speed in the solar system. We've delved into its mini solar system of 67 known moons. That's right, 67. It's almost like Jupiter is a proud parent with a large family. We've also recounted the past, present, and upcoming exploration missions, underscoring our insatiable curiosity about this celestial behemoth. But perhaps most importantly, we've come to appreciate Jupiter's role as Earth's protector. Its massive gravity acts like a cosmic shield, helping to protect our home planet from potential asteroid impacts. Next time you look up at the night sky, give a nod to Jupiter, the unsung hero of our solar system. Until our next cosmic journey, goodbye and keep exploring.